Hello, my dear children. So today we are going to start new sound, that is sound of letter, guess, H. Okay, so this is letter H and we are going to learn the sound of this letter. Okay, this is letter H. H. Very good. So yes. So what is the sound of this letter? Any guess? Okay. Yes, the sound of this letter is okay. Try it yourself too. Yes. Let me see whether you are trying or not. Yes, you should feel the air on your palm. Okay, you should feel the air on your palm. Do not take out any sound. Okay, just feel the air on your palm. Okay. Yes, the sound of letter H is very good. Yes, excellent. You all are correct. So now, today I have an interesting story for you. Are you all ready to listen to the story? Yes? If yes, give me thumbs up. Okay, yes, I can see many thumbs up. So that means you all are ready to listen to the story. And here goes the story. Okay. Yes, once upon a time, there was one cute little boy and his name was Harish. Okay, his name was Harish. Alright, his name was Harish. Okay, so one day he wanted to go to his uncle's house. Okay, he wanted to go to his uncle's house. Okay, this is Harish uncle. So he wanted to go to his uncle's house and they both met. Both of them were very happy to see each other. And you know, Harish uncle got a lovely house. Yes, a lovely house. Look at this beautiful house. Yes, Harish uncle's house was very beautiful, pretty and colorful. Okay, so and Harish uncle had a big horse. Yes, what is this? Horse. Horse, yes. Harish uncle got a big horse. And you know one thing? Harish wanted to ride the horse. He wanted to sit on the horse and take a ride. He tried so many times. He jumped and jumped, but he was unable. He couldn't climb. He couldn't ride the horse. So he said, Uncle, I want to ride the horse. Can you help me? And uncle said, okay, I will lift you up and I will help you to ride the horse. Harish was very happy. He was very happy and his uncle helped him to sit on the back of the horse. Okay, he was very happy. Look at Harish, he was very happy. But yes, he forgot one thing. He forgot to wear his hat. Yes, his uncle bought the hat and said, Harish, before riding the horse, you need to wear your hat. Yes, so he wore his hat on his head and he was very happy. He took a nice ride on the horse. Okay, he took a nice Yes, he was very happy to take a ride. Okay, so he got off from the horse slowly and went to his uncle to thank him. Harish said, Uncle, thank you so much for helping me to sit on the horse. And do you know what his uncle was doing? His uncle was doing something with the hammer. Okay, he was doing some wooden work with the hammer. Okay, yes, what is this? This is a hammer. Okay, so this was a story about letter H that has sound. Okay, so let's revise by telling the name of the pictures. Okay, I'll show the pictures and you have to tell me the name that I told you just now. Yes, what is this? This is a horse. Horse. Yes, horse. Okay, horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Excellent. Very good. What is this? House. 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 Okay. And what is this? Hammer. 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 Okay. Do you have hammer in your house? Yes. Do you all have a hammer in your house? If you have, please raise your hand. Okay. I have 2 hammers in my house. Okay. So this is a hammer. This is Harish, uncle. And what is this? This is a hat. Hat. So this much for today. I hope you will recall the sound of letter H when I come to your class next week. Yes, will you? So please watch the video and revise the sound. Okay. So the sound of letter H is that I told you just now. Okay. And I forgot to mention one thing. So we forgot to sing a song of letter H. Right? Okay. So the song is I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. Yes, okay. So now let's revise that we have just done. Okay, so I'll show you the pictures and you have to name it. Okay, you have to repeat after me. This is a horse. Repeat after me. This is a horse. This is a house. This is a house. Repeat after me. This is a hammer. This is a hammer. Repeat after me. Very good. Very good. This is a hat. This is a hat. Repeat after me.